guys, KV from Ridezilla. Good morning. So this one is for my fellow riders as well as drivers. A lot of times we face a lot of issues when we are driving in the dark or in the twilight zones, uh, especially in the morning before sunrise and evenings, during the sunset and post that. There are a lot of things that we do to get a better sight or better vision of the road on which we are riding, especially when there is oncoming traffic and your stock lights or OEM lights are not sufficient per se. So there's a trend whenever you buy your motorcycle or your car that we go in and fit some auxiliary lights. So I'll just show you. Even on the Interceptor I have these Mad Dogs, and then these are the auxiliary lights that I use on the Ninja. Takes the looks away of the Ninja, but they are very very functional, and I have used them extensively during my Ladakh trip last year. So although we go ahead and fit those lights, I was still missing something. I was still not able to see clearly on the road, and I had issues, especially seeing at night. So, you know, uh, even with the lights, I was not able to see clearly because the lights have a limitation. Either they are spot beams or they are, spread wide. So you need to figure out which ones are the best for you based on where you ride. So what happened was I was actually solving a wrong problem. I was actually, you know, trying to get my lights better to be able to see on the road, but I was solving the wrong problem. The problem was that there was an issue with my eyesight. Uh, I just went and my wife wanted to go and get her eyes checked, so I just went with her, accompanied her, and just for the heck of it, I decided to get my eyes tested, and voila. So the issue was that my far-sighted vision was also not good, and I already had my reading glasses, but my far-sighted vision was also not good, and I had problems with my eyesight actually. So I got my specs made, and I started using them. I got used to them, and now I use them very regularly when I'm riding, during the day or during the night or whatever. There's another thing that is not scientifically proven. I just did my research on the internet, but I do use, you know, use that thing very regularly. So what I do is I've got amber colored glasses made with the power that was specified, right? So I got these amber colored glasses. I'll just wear them and show you. So these are the ones that I'm wearing right now. These come with the thinner frame that fits in my full face helmet and doesn't cause a lot of discomfort or no pain. So this is a open face helmet from Royal Enfield, but I wear these inside the open face helmet as well as I try and not try, but I do use them inside my full face helmet. Getting them on after wearing the helmet is a bit of a pain if your helmet is especially tight around here, but you know they work really well, and this has drastically improved my vision, okay, while riding. What happens is we don't realize that our vision is gone bad, and you squint and look far away trying to make sense of the road where it is going. Sometimes the roads don't have the side markers or the lane markers, and there are chances that during a night drive, you can sway in the wrong direction, you know so a lot of times that has happened with me when you can't make sense of the road, especially on an unknown road. So guys, get your eyes checked, and if you have that problem with your vision, either you can use lenses or glasses. But this has drastically improved my vision at night and even during the day. Now coming back to the amber glasses, what I normally do is I wear them even during the day. Cuts out a lot of blue and cuts out a lot of glare that you see from the sun. Even at night, there are those big powerful SUVs and cars and trucks coming on you with a high beams and blue LED, white LED lights, and they do more harm than good. So you then lose sight. There is blankness, there is darkness in your eyes, momentarily though, but it makes you think twice. It actually, I lose my confidence if there's such things happening. So these amber colored glasses, yellow or amber, whatever you want to call them, these work really well, especially in the night. What I've noticed is uh, the reflections from the road, from your headlight. So your headlight goes on the objects and it reflects back. But with this improved vision, with these powered glasses as well as the amber color, uh, I have noticed that it reflects better. You get to see all the reflections that are there, and there's something to do with the wavelength of this color, basically, that it cuts out a lot of glare such that you have a clear view of the road ahead. So if you if you do what we are doing regularly, search on Google, they've said that it doesn't make any difference while you're riding. So science says that if you wear amber color glasses or not during your night drive, it doesn't add any value to it. It's probably a mix of two things. One is uh, getting your eyesight tested and wearing the rectifying lenses or glasses. That helps a lot. And then getting these amber colored glasses has helped me drastically. You can carry better speeds on the roads, uh, and you have that confidence of very crystal clear vision that uh, that helps you to ride in a safer way, that ensures your own safety. So this is just a thought from me. This is what I'm doing currently. I have two pairs of glasses. One I have kept in my car, and the other I have kept in. I use it on my bike. So these work. However, people tend to disagree, but a lot of my friends, fellow riders in my group are using these, and they work really well. So stop that squinting, get your eyesight tested, and uh, use all your auxiliary lamps and everything in a safe manner, such that it doesn't harm the oncoming traffic. But at the same time, you know, use use the amber colored ones, and you can go to any of the shops close by and get your eyesight tested, and as well as create get these made in amber with the power. So this is like the thing that works for me currently. It has worked for me over the past 1 year or so, and I'm going to continue using these. I use them in daylight, I use them at night, in twilight, what have you, and it works perfectly well. So, guys, don't solve the wrong problems. Too much light on your bikes will sap your battery. It's going to have some load on the electricals as well. So, get the perfect set of lights, such that they complement your headlight well, as well as get your eyesight tested. That's something that all of us should be doing, especially if you're riding long distances, doing endurance rides and things like that. So uh, stay safe, ride safe, and I'll catch you in another of my vlogs. Thanks.